Good morning, children. This is Astha Mishra. Today I am teaching you maths. This is a session 2. Today I'll teach you properties of subtraction. When we add two numbers, we get a sum. And the difference between the sum and any of two addends gives the other addend. Let's do example, show you. Like we have take two numbers 5, 6, 4 plus 3, 5, 9. So what answer we get? We get 923. So as I told you, the difference between the sum and any two addends, anyone, so gives other addend. Let's do. This is the sum 923 and take any one addend like this one 5, 6, 4. So what we get? Do subtraction. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. There is 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. And 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 359. So see, this is the second addend. Like that, do next one. This is the sum 923 minus we take this addend 359. So do solution. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Then 11 minus, yes, exactly, you have done. Very good. 6 and then here 5. Yes, children, do calculation. Okay. So you see there the difference between the sum and any one of the addend, we get other addend. Okay. These two examples. So we can say that there are two subtraction facts. For each addition fact. Okay, so as we can say that there are two subtraction fact for each addition fact. Like say example 814 plus 123 get 937. This is an addition fact. So as we write, this is 937 minus 814. So this is a first subtraction fact. Subtraction fact. As we write 937 minus 123. So this is the second subtraction fact. Okay, children, I hope it is clear and you understood very well. Now I'll explain you subtraction 10. Subtraction 10 and 100. Okay. So children, when we subtract 10, we subtract 1 from 10th digit. When we subtract 10, we subtract 1 from 10 digit. See, one example. 8, 1, 4, 5 minus 10. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 1 as it is, 8 as it is. Okay. Do one more example. 39, 41 minus 10. So what answer we get? 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 9 as it is, 3 as it is. Clear? Like that, same, when we subtract 100, we subtract 1 from hundredths digit. Like same. When there is a tens digit, so we subtract 1 from tens digit, and when we subtract 100, we subtract 1 from hundredths digit. Look example. 3259 minus 100. So 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and 3 as it is. Okay, do one more example. 7648 minus 100. So 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, and 7. Okay, I think you understood very well these 2 points also. Now come to the exercise 3.1. This, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. 753 minus 10. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and 7 as it is. Okay, one more example I told you. C. 854 minus 100. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Let's do one more example. 497 minus 10. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 4 as it is. One more example. 280 minus 100. So do 0 minus 0 is equal 0. 8 minus 0 is equal 8. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, I hope question number 1, fill in the blanks, it is clear. So you have to do in your book, don't write in your copy. Okay, now come to question number 2. Write the 2 subtraction facts for each. Look how to do. Question number 2. A. 196 plus 189 is equal to 385. So there is telling you write the 2 subtraction facts for each. So first subtraction fact, write the sum 385. Then first addend 196. So we get 189. This is the first subtraction fact. Now second, 385 minus 189 is equal, you get 196. This is a second subtraction fact. As like that, you have to do question number B, C, D. I explain you one more example, question number C. 261 plus 587 is equal 848. So, what is the first subtraction fact? Yes, write this number here, 848. Then first addend 261 is equal what? 587. Yes, this is the first subtraction fact. Second, 848 minus second addend 587 get 261. This is a second fact, second subtraction fact. I hope this question number 1 and 2 is clear. Children, you have to do in your book. Don't write in your copy. Question number 1 and 2. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.